Hi, my friends. So we are moving into our math lesson for Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Tuesday. But before we jump into our math book, we're going to listen to a couple of songs about the shapes we have been learning about. So this first one is about our 3D shapes.
Like a dice.
You look like a dice.
Roll with me.
Roll with me.
Cone, cone.
Cone, cone.
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
You look like a party hat.
You look like a party hat.
Dance with me.
Dance with me.
Cube.
Cube.
Dice.
Dice.
Cone.
Cone.
Party hat.
Party hat. Shapes. 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes. 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder.
Sphere, sphere.
Sphere, sphere.
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
You look like a ball.
You look like a ball.
Bounce with me.
Bounce with me.
Cylinder, cylinder.
Cylinder, cylinder.
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
You look like a soda
You
can.
look like a soda can.
Shake with me.
Shake with me.
Sphere,
Sphere,
ball,
ball,
cylinder,
cylinder,
soda can.
soda can. Shapes, 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes, 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder.
Okay, my darlings, so that was a song to review the 3D shapes we have been learning about. So we learned about the cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. So now I'm going to play a song for our 2D shapes. Also, if you have a moment, please feel free to pause this video so you can grab the items you'll need for the illustrations later on. Pencil, crayon, marker, piece of paper, dry erase board, whatever you can write with, and whatever you can write on. And please feel free to send me a picture of your illustrations for any lessons that we do on the dojo. Okay, here goes our video for our 2D shapes.
just one line that goes round and round, and I can roll on the ground. What am I? You're a circle. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. If you look really close, you will see I have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. What am I? You're a triangle.
Draw a circle in the air. Draw a triangle in the air.
I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, they're all the same. If you know my name, you're good at this game. What am I? You're a square. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, like a square, but 2 sides are shorter, and I don't care. What am I? You're a rectangle.
Draw a square in the air. Draw a rectangle in the air.
I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes.
Circle,
Circle,
triangle,
triangle,
square,
square,
rectangle,
rectangle,
circle, triangle, square, rectangle,
circle, triangle, square, rectangle.
circle, triangle, square, rectangle.
Shapes are everywhere. I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes.
Okay, so that was our 2D shapes. Talked about squares. All of the sides are the same size. Circle goes around and around. Triangle, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And rectangle. Where's rectangle? Oh, here's a rectangle. 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And actually, here's the other rectangle, little wagon. So we have been learning about our shapes, 2D and 3D. So our 2D shapes are flat. We can only see one side, while our 3D shapes, we can see more than one side. And the links to these videos, if you want to watch them again, will be in the description for this video. So let's get to our math lesson. So we are on lesson 12-2. Looks like we are going to be learning about circles and triangles, and this should be so easy peasy because we have been doing circles and triangles for a long time, especially as we have been illustrating. We've been using circles and triangles to help with our illustrating, our faces and drawing houses, things outside. We've been drawing and illustrating circles and triangles for some time now. All right, turn the page. And it looks like, I believe this is our friend Emily that's helping us with our shapes this time. Let's read the instructions. Looks like we've got some shapes here. And it says they want us to figure out which one is the triangle. Now it looks like they already helped us with number 1. Remember, our triangle has 3 sides. So does this shape have 3 sides? No. What about this shape right here? No. What about this one? No. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So we would have put an X on this shape here. Do you know what shape this is? Do you remember what that one's called? It goes around and around and around. Circle. Good. And what's this one? Star. Beautiful. And this one here. Long side, short side, long side, short side. What is that shape called? Rectangle. Beautiful. All right, let's look at number 2. Again, they want us to mark which one would be a triangle. Let's see. Triangle has how many sides? 3. How many sides does a square have? 4 sides. 4 sides. All right, let's see. Look at this one. What shape? Does that look like a triangle to you? Does that only have 3 sides? No, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks like they're trying to actually make that one look like a what? A diamond. That one kind of looks like a diamond. Does this one have 3 sides? No, that one goes around and around. So what shape is that? Circle. Good. And then we have this orange shape here. We've got a long side, short side, long side, short side. I count 4 sides on that. So what shape is that? Rectangle. And then we have this purple shape here. Do you think that one's the triangle? If you say yes, I would have to agree with you. That is a triangle. I see 1, 2, 3 sides. And here you can also see Emily showing us some shapes in real life. Here, her and her doggy friend. What do you think that is? Well, first, what shape do you think that is? Goes around and around. Yes, so that is a circle. But what object is that? Looks like the dog is pretty happy to see it. Do you know what that is? I can give you a clue. You can throw it in the air, and it kind of flies. Frisbee. That is a frisbee. Very nice. And then it looks like she's showing us another object in real life that has the shape of a what? 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. Do you know what this part? Okay, first, what is this whole picture here? What is that called? That's a boat. That's a sailboat. But do you know what just this part is called? Do you know it? It actually has 2 of them. And it uses the wind to push the boat along. Do you know what this part is called? That's the sail. That is the sail. So this boat has 2 sails to help it catch wind and move. It's the wind that pushes these to make this boat move. Okay, let's go to our next page. Told you this is easy peasy grilled cheesy. We know these shapes. Okay, let me look at the instructions. They want us to go over the shapes, see which one is a triangle, and see which ones are like a triangle and a circle. So this lesson, we're just reviewing circles and triangles. Okay. I'm going to give you a moment. I want you to, as fast as you can, point to the circle. Which one's the circle? Which one is it? Is it this one? No. Good. Is it this one? No, that's a square. Good. Is it this one? Yes, that's our circle. It goes around and around. So we have square, rectangle. What's this one? 3 sides. Triangle. Is this a triangle still, even though it's upside down? Yes, it is. Just because it's upside down doesn't mean it's not still a triangle. Still has its 3 sides and its 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So that is still a triangle even though it's upside down. All right, let's go to number 4, the heart. Okay, I want you to, as quick as you can, point to the triangle. Which one's the triangle? Which one's the triangle? Is it this one? No, that is a heart. Good. That is a heart. All right, you're still pointing to the triangle. Is it this one? This green shape? No, you are right. That's a star. Is the triangle this one? Yes, good job. The red shape with how many sides? 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And then what's this orange shape that goes around and around? That is a circle. Good. All right, let's look at these real life objects they have. Looks like they have, ooh, do you remember what that coin is called? We were learning our coins before we left school. Ooh, what does that one look like? It's not a quarter. It's not a dime. It's a nickel. That is a nickel. Do you remember how many cents a nickel is worth? 5. 5 cents. Okay, so what shape is this nickel? Is this a square? No. Yes, it is a circle. Good job. Oh, well, let's look at this. This looks like a picture frame. Got a couple of friends in the picture. What shape is that picture frame? You probably have some picture frames around your house too. What shape is this picture frame? Looks like it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of those sides are the same size. What shape is that? Is that a heart? It's a square. Good. Okay, let's go. What is that? Oh, you know what this looks like? I don't know if you've ever been to Cracker Barrel. It's a restaurant. There's one by Menards in Maryville, and they have this game where you jump pegs, and each time you jump a peg, you take that peg out. And your goal is to try to get only one peg left over. And this shape right here with the little holes, it kind of looks like that peg game. Lucas and I like playing that whenever we would go to Cracker Barrel. But do you know what this shape is called? It has how many